Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing well. So in today's video I am going to create this perfect classic Valentine's Day look, and I am really happy that I created this classic look for you guys. So you can wear this look with your western as well as traditional outfits, and if you're not comfortable with red shades, then definitely you can change up the lip color. You can go for pink, nude, browns or darker shades as you like. Anyways, if you want to see how I create this beautiful look, then please keep on watching. For my primer today I'm using the PAC Zero Pore Separation Cream. For the foundation I'm going with my Maybelline Fit Me foundation in the shade 230. I'm also taking the Maybelline Strobe cream in the shade Nude. I'm blending it with my Real Techniques Diamond Sponge. For my concealer, today I will be using the KRYOLAN Super Color Base in the shade FS22, blending it out with my Wise blender. Now to set my face, I'm using the MAC Studio Fix Powder Foundation with my 214 brush from PAC. For my brows, first I will be applying the brow wax from Sigma. Then I'm going to fill it in with my Sigma Brow Powder Duo in the shade Medium, and the brush here I'm using is Faces Canada Mascara and Brow Brush. Now I'm going to apply this Bahama Mama bronzer with my PAC 330 brush. Contouring my nose with the help of PAC 249 brush, and I'm blending it with my PAC 204 brush. For my blush, I'm using the SIVANNA blusher in the shade Iced Queen, and the brush here I'm using is from Forever 21. With this L'Oreal Infallible Makeup Extender, I'm going to set my face. For my highlight, I'm using the PAC Baked Highlighter in the shade 03, and the brush here I'm using is a eyeshadow blending brush. This is by ORIFLAME. Now highlighting my nose with the help of PAC 115 brush. For my eye makeup, I will be using the COLOURPOP I Think I Love You palette. First taking the shade Bel Air on my PAC 204 brush, and I'm going to blend this shade on my crease as my transition shade. Now taking the shade My Type on the same brush, and I'm going to pack the shade on the outer corner of my eye and blend it on my crease. Now taking the shade Screw It, and I'm going to apply the shade on my eyelid with my finger. Going back with the same brush without any product, I'm blending out my crease. Applying the same crease shades on my lower lash line. Now with this Essence liquid eyeliner, I'm applying a wing eyeliner. Now applying some mascara and then adding some falsies. This is Starburst from Kingdom of Lashes. Now taking the shade Better Bitter on the PAC 115 brush, and I'm applying that on my inner corner of my eye. Then highlighting my brow bone with the same PAC Baked highlighter. Lining my lips with the Oriflame Wonder Lip Liner in the shade Real Red. Now applying the Maybelline Superstay Matte Ink Liquid Lipstick in the shade Dancer. So guys, this is the finished look. I hope you guys liked it, and I know a lot of you guys will ask me how I did my hair. This is a very easy hairdo. I just twisted it and secured it with a bobby pin, and that's it. You can leave your hair open as well. It's very easy. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up, and please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. And yeah, hope to see you again on my next video. Till then, take care. I love you all. Bye guys.